How could they freaking do that to me, man? I go all in on OM system, sell everything to get the OM1. I trusted the company, and then this. Unbelievable. It's terrible. Can't believe they No. Hello. I didn't know you were here. I was just eating some ice cream. Ice cream calms me down. If I wasn't eating this ice cream, there would be spit and vomit all over the lens because of this new disgusting release. Let's talk about it. I'm sure you guys have seen this latest release. If not, you're not missing out. OM system. What are you thinking? So for you guys who don't know, I bought the OM1. I went all in on OM system. That camera is actually good. It's amazing. It meets all my needs. I'm very happy with it. However, for that company to survive, it can't do things like this. So for the people who don't know, I'll give you guys a quick overview of the good things. The OM-5 is why we're here, what it did well, and then I'll tell you why I'm disgusted with it. So I have little notes here. Yeah, we'll do the good things first because I have a lot to say about the bad things. What they did well is they added the high-res handheld shot. They added the ND stop, the live ND for photos only, no video shooters, and they added the Starry AF, which is pretty cool. No record limits. They have OM log, which is only an 8-bit, but that's all new. They added the same IP53 rating the OM1 has. Tough, strong, good camera. They raised the IBIS to 6.5 stops, or 7.5 with certain lenses, but it was always good, so they didn't need to do that. I guess the only other thing they kind of did, which nobody cares about, nobody that's not 12 years old that is vertical video. So if you shoot in vertical, it recognizes it. Big deal. Anyways, alright, to the gripes, to the disgusting. I'll start off with the worst thing they ever did. I can't believe this. I need more ice cream. I need more ice cream. To charge this camera, they put in a micro USB port. A micro USB. I'm pretty sure, I don't know, cameras from 2018 has USB-C. Micro USB, the one that is not backwards compatible. Unbelievable. Like, it's disgusting. So then now you have to carry another cord. It's super slow charging, slow transfer speeds. The OM1 has it. It just shows how little they care and pay attention to people. It's unbelievable, actually. Unbelievable. The body. Okay, so I personally don't love the EM-5, OM-5 body series. They're a little bit small for me. My first camera actually was a EM-5 Mark II. Took fairly good photos, okay video, but the form factor, didn't like it, sold it. But the body, people expected big changes. It's the exact same body as the EM-5 III. Identical. You can't even tell them apart except for the stupid OM system logo on the front now. It's ridiculous. Like, the only thing they changed is a black silver marking on the mode dial. The drive mode dial. Ridiculous. Unbelievable. It's like the same camera. They cheaped out hardcore. Disappointing. Do something. Like, the exact same sensor, like identical sensor from 2 cameras ago. Like, unbelievable. Like, they didn't, it's not stacked, it's not anything. Ugh. I don't even want to talk about this. Oh, why OM? Why? You guys are the worst. I need more ice cream, okay. I've got some matcha tea here. That's really hot. What else? Oh my god. The same ports, no headphone jack. I don't know. What were they thinking? And to top it all off, to keep this video short, I'm trying to stay calm. I'm trying to stay calm. Meditation. The OM-1, my camera, the one I love, has an awesome new menu system. It's intuitive. It tells you if something is grayed out and you can't use it. It tells you why. It's great. They have the technology, but for some reason they put in the old, crappy, convoluted Olympus original menu system. Why? You have the technology. I don't get it. Stay calm. You're not buying the camera. It's just the company. They will pull through this. I got this. Okay. Does it take good pictures? Probably. Does it take decent videos? Maybe. Who knows? But to get people involved in your system, you have to do more than that. You really do. They almost went backwards. That camera had potential and they totally squashed it. People are going to be laughing at Micro Four Thirds now. Laughing. I know I am. And crying. And eating ice cream for them. I'm going to get fat because of these people. Unbelievable. Anyways, I just wanted to quietly rant, but I can't believe they did this. I can't believe how terrible of a camera that is. Like, it's not even a B cam. It's not even a C cam. It's not even a Z cam. I would actually get the OM-5 over that one. Ugh. Anyways, you know what? I'm done. Happy times. Husa. On a happier note, welcome to my studio. It's the first time I shot here. But, situation at hand, tell me. I know you guys will be divided. Do you guys think it's a good release? Am I crazy? Am I just overthinking it? Am I expecting too much? Do you like it or do you hate it like I do? Do you want to just fly to Olympus headquarters in Japan or wherever they are and throw rocks in their windows? Because that's what I want to do. Or is it a decent upgrade and I'm just crazy? Tip type below. Let me know your feelings and thoughts, and also how you like the new studio. And guys, I always forget to say this, but press the like button. No, you know what? Don't press the like button. Gently caress the like button. Be nice to it. Just nicely once or 3 times. Not twice. Caress it nicely. And subscribe, as always. And my affiliate links for this terrible camera, plus the OM-1, and all the gear I'm using right now, will be down below. Go there. Even if you don't buy the camera, just press on the link and go buy some soup from Amazon, and I will get the money. You will not pay anything more, but I will get